Let's read some sentences together. Remember, sentences are groups of words that convey a meaning, and they have a noun, that's a person, place, or thing, and a verb, that's an action word. I have 3 pictures here. Let's see if you can find the picture that this sentence goes with. What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. The sun is up. The sun is up. Which picture does this go with? That's right. So let's put it over there. Let's look at these pictures. Can you find which picture this sentence goes with? What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. The cat hid in the bag. The cat hid in the bag. Where does it go? You're right. Let's put it there. Let's try with 3 more pictures. I have 3 different pictures now. Let's see if you can find the picture that this sentence goes with. What does this say? Yeah, sound it out. A bug is on the rug. A bug is on the rug. Which picture does that go with? That's right, let's put it there. Let's try with some different pictures. I have 3 different pictures this time. Can you find where this sentence belongs? What does it say? Yep, sound it out. The dog sat on a mat. Where does it go? The dog sat on a mat. That's right, let's put it there. Thanks for reading these sentences with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!